In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Replace Page block. This block lets you navigate from the current page to a new one, or visit a list of pages in batches. Drag the Replace Page block into the canvas. Let's say you want to replace the current page with Google. Just enter Google's URL right here. Now run it and see what happens. As you can see, it successfully navigated to Google. You can also nest it inside the new tab block. This way, it will only replace the URL of that tab. For example, we first open Google, then replace it with the Tapicker website. Let's run it again and check the results. Great! Just as expected, it navigated to Tapicker's homepage. Now let's take a look at its configuration options. You need to enter a URL here. This is required. Then you can set a timeout value here. If it times out, it will automatically retry up to 3 times. You can choose whether to focus on the tab while replacing the page. You can also choose whether to wait for the page to fully load before continuing. To help you remember it better, let's go through a real-world example. For instance, batch visiting a list of Amazon product pages. Alright, let's get started. First, create a new tab. If you don't have a target page yet, you can use About Blank, which is just a blank page. Then, add a loop block inside the new tab block. Here, enter the list of links you want to visit. It should be an array, something like this. If the list is long, we recommend entering it from outside. That way your recipe stays lightweight and is easier to manage. Next, how do we bring in external data? You can paste an array or multiple lines of data here. 1 link per line. Then reference this parameter in your loop. Finally, add the Replace Page block into the loop block. Here, dynamically reference the current item in the loop, which is each link in the list. After replacing the page, you can continue with other actions, like extracting product info or downloading images. To save time, we won't go into those details here. Alright, let's run it and see how it goes. Awesome! It worked perfectly. That's how you use the Replace Page block. It's ideal for tasks that involve dynamic page navigation, whether it's jumping to a single page or visiting a batch of pages. It gets the job done efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.